Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Music Haptics in iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.0. After the checking, go back. Now here scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down. You will see last option is Music Haptics. So click on Music Haptics. Now here, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back. Now here, now in app library, click on music. So you want to play any one music from here. So after playing, go back to home screen. Now here, so that's how you can use Music Haptics in iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Pro. So hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.